Welcome to our Selmo Academy tutorial video series. In this video, we explained how to define the zones, set the machine states, and monitoring them. In each step, the states of the zones are described with the operands. These control and monitor the process sequence. In each sequence, an own system layer can be defined. There are 8 operands in total. 0 don't care. This means that there is no monitoring of the zone. If it is an output zone, the output is switched off. Interlock Check. The interlock check is a function which monitors the state of the input signal linked to the zone. If the signal of the zone is not in the required state, the automatic operation of the sequence is interrupted. Sequence check. The sequence check is a function that can be set in a step with an S. The Boolean value of the signal associated with the zone, input of the zone, is checked for a change of state. D1 Decision Path 1 provides the possibility to define one or more input zones as condition for path 1 in the decision. D2 Decision Path 2, like D1, possibility to define one or more input zones as a condition for path 2. Monitoring check. Same function as interlock check, but no interlock error is triggered and the automatic remains active. The interlock is logged in the alarm history. Jump provides the possibility to define one or more input zones as conditional jump variables in the step. Cancel, used to define an input zone as a cancel variable for the repeater. With the help of the operands, it is defined in which step the system must have what state or what state the system must assume. By using the in-out and out zone, it is defined which outputs have to be switched in which step. This again means that the defined states can only be the valid ones. The system displays all other states of the plant as errors and diagnoses the deviation from the target state. With this video, we have learned the basic functions for creating a process model. In the next one, we will cover the assembly layer, which allows to model with assemblies and makes it much faster and easier.